Hey guys, we're back in another video today, and today we are down at the Murray Road level crossing in Preston. Now this crossing is on the removal list, and the sign for the level crossing removal is right down here. Anyway, this crossing has two general signals evals, I believe. One's like painted darker grey on the other side. That gate mech on the other side is Siemens. The one on here is Safetran. The lights are Westinghouse LEDs, and the crossarms are also Westinghouse. The gates are Wishbone Gates, and they have Artcraft gate lights. Oh, shivers. Whoops. So that's the crossing. There's a train in the back, 2 minutes, so here we go. Here we go. There's a train. There we go guys, that's a train heading to Mernda. The next train is in a couple of minutes, so I'll wait around for that, but it'll be on the other side, so keep watching the video. Alright, this is the last minute view guys. I wasn't ready for this train to come. It's coming from the exact same direction again. That is one interesting timetable. The other one literally just went up the line like 2 minutes ago, not even. You can probably see it up there, I don't know. Move back a bit. Train sitting in the station, probably picking up passengers. There we go guys, that side. I'm going to go across onto the other side with the Siemens gate mech so you can see that side. Alright, so we're on the other side of the crossing now. After, there we go. Oh, it just speeds up to get across the crossing. Typical. You can go forward. Signs in the way. There we go, guys. Now I'm going to do it across it. You're supposed to wait until the gates are fully up. What is wrong with people? Alright, we'll start with this signal. It has a Mackenzie and Holland signal base, a Siemens gate mech, which I believe looks exactly like a Safetran gate mech, a Mackenzie and Holland crossarm on this signal, and 4 Westinghouse marked LEDs with a General Signals E-bell, a Wishbone Gate, and 3 Artcraft gate lights, plus a stop black with white writing stop on red signal sign. Alright, then over here we have another Mackenzie and Holland signal base, a Safetran gate mech, a black with white writing stop on red signal sign, 6 Westinghouse marked LED lights, and 2 Westinghouse Crossarms with another General Signals E-bell, plus a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights.